How to use journal on your iPhone. It's very easy. So first of all, simply open your journal application, and then from here you can see a plus icon. Simply tap on it, and after doing that you can now start writing your title. After writing your title, you can now start writing in here. So you can write as much as you can in your journal, and there's also various things that you can do. So, for example, you can even edit your text. So, if I want this today to be a little different, I'm going to select today just like this. And now in here, I can now tap on this edit option right on the top. If I do that, here you can see I can now make it bold, I can make it italic, and I can even underline this. Here, I can even change the color of it. Here I'm going to select this color. And in here you can see I can do multiple different things. I can even doodle on my journal if you simply tap on this pencil-like icon right here. I can now start doodling in here just like this. Here you can see I can do that too. So in here we also have a bunch of different things like adding a picture. So if you simply tap on this photo icon right here, you can now select a video or photos from your gallery. For example, I'm going to go with this a video. Then in here, we also have the option of camera. If you tap on it, you can click pictures. You can even add voice messages. And here you also have multiple different things that you can do in order to create your journal on your iPhone. When you're done with it, you can simply tap on this tick option right here. And just like this, if we simply go back, and just like this, here you can see our entry has successfully been saved. And again, if you want to write another journal, you can again tap on this icon, and just like that, you'll be able to use a journal on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.